So guys, check this out. I gotta share this with you. So this is the engine of this V-Dub. Looks kind of strange. Well, let's check the inside. Now here's an idea of you were driving it. Now let's see what they have inside the front. Wait. You guys ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. The groceries. And no, it's not a soda machine. It's all electric. There's a barbecue vehicle right there. There's a Lincoln Continental. I just met two guys over here that I saw at one car show in Puyallup. There's a Willie over there. There's another Bug over here. There's an AMX. There's a Cornet. And I think it's a 57. But check out, oh, look at the W's. '48 Chevy. I'm trying to turn off the stop, but it won't. There's an old K5 right here. They're selling some food over there. So it says Taste of Samoa. What do you think if I put a spoke rims on my CL? So let's take a look at their menu. So Taste of Samoa. Like a Samoa taco, rice bowls, plate, lunch, drinks. Hopefully they don't give me a ticket up there. Then